Alexander, come on. Come on, say it again.
No!
1, 2. Buckle my shoe.
1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut that door. 5, 6. 7, 8. 9, 10. The big fat cat!
That's good. Now do the feet thing you did. 1.
No!
Do it.
No!
1, 2. All right, I'm ready. Come on.
No! You're not ready yet.
Okay, when are you gonna be ready?
For the ABC. Let's write ABC. Then, Mommy tell she's ready.
You gonna play us a song? Alex.
No!
Look at all these toys. What you doing?
I'm scared.
You're sleeping because you're scared? What you scared of?
I'm scared of you.
Are you scared of the video?
Yeah, I'm scared of the video. And I'm scared of Mommy.
You shouldn't be scared of mommy.
And I'm scared of Mommy's phone.
Oh, the phone?
I see Dawson.
Oh, brother.
Dawson behind me.
Oh, gracious.
No! No! No, Mommy, no!
No, what are we about to go do outside?
No!
What are we gonna
Just
go?
sit like that, okay? Don't move. Don't move, don't move.
Okay. You ready to go do yard work?
Yeah. First we gotta get dressed.
That's right.